Hello and welcome to our channel. Our Notion Fitness Planner is here to help you achieve your fitness goals. With personalized recommendations based on your fitness level, interests and preferences, our fitness planner takes the stress out of planning your workouts. Plus, with all your fitness documents in one place, you can easily access your workout plan, progress tracker, and exercise library on the go. Say goodbye to decision paralysis and lack of motivation, and say hello to a consistent and enjoyable fitness journey. Try our Notion Fitness Planner today and start reaching your fitness goals. Before we start, make sure you get prepared and eliminate any possible distraction in order to have a better understanding of how it works. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you will not miss any new template in the future, as well as productivity ideas and hacks. So let's get started. Starting with the main dashboard here, we can see this horizontal menu, which is exactly the same menu that you can find vertically here on the side. This is very helpful for mobile devices, so you can have the menu available in multiple places. So, here in the main dashboard, you can see the most important sections of the planner. In this area, there is a notification section where you can have available all the upcoming workout sessions, so you will never lose your workout schedule. As you can see, you can find all kind of information like calories that you need to burn, or if you skip any meal, etc. So, by clicking into Calorie section, you will find all your calories intake separated in a daily schedule. For example, here you can see all the calories you took at this day and where they came from. Or you can click the plus icon and add all your meals and then see all your calories listed here. Below, you can see all your recipes, and if you click inside of each one, you will see all the information from pictures, ingredients and preparation. Moving into the fitness goals section, here we can have our goals listed in two different styles. Of course, with the plus icon, we can add a new goal. And below that, you can have a vision board to add everything you like. In the next area of workout library, we can see two sections. First, the workout sessions split in a daily schedule. In each day, you can add exercises that you like, or you can create a new workout plan. Below, you can see all the exercises you can have, and it is like a reservoir of all the exercises available, and you can categorize them based on the type of muscle that they target. Next, we have our workout planner. It is the perfect area where you can create your own workout plan with all the details, like time, calories, type of exercise and others. This area has two different types of view. Below that, we have a calendar view of our workout plan so we can stay organized. Moving into the weight tracker here, you can track all your progress by using photos. Inside each section, you can add all kind of informations as well. The progress section can be categorized by week, by month or by annual view. Apart from those photos below that section, you can have measurements to track your progress as well. Next, we go to the intermittent fasting, which is the area where you can note all the dates and times that you are fasting. By clicking Start Fasting here, there is a new registry automatically created that tracks your fasting. And when you want to stop fasting, you just click the Stop button here. It's pretty easy and self-explanatory section. Below that, you have a calendar view of your fasting schedule in case this view is useful. Last but not least, we have the fitness challenges, where you can note any fitness challenge using the tick boxes. The challenges are separated in a daily schedule, and you can create a new one when clicking the new button, and then you can set all the parameters of the challenges. Moving back into homepage here, you can have the main dashboard view, and on the side we can find shortcuts of the progress of your body workout as well. This Notion planner is designed to be your fitness assistant in achieving your fitness goals, with personalized recommendations based on your fitness level, interests and preferences. Our fitness planner takes the stress out of planning your workouts. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you will not miss any new template in the future, as well as productivity ideas or hacks.